Welcome back. You are going to love this because today we're digging deep into something that you've heard about but might not fully understand. The self-directed IRA for gold. So if you've been worried about the economy lately, you are going to want to stick around for this. I'm about to reveal how to armor plate your financial future. No, it's not perfect, and nothing is, but it might be one of our best options. So before we jump in, here's the real question. Why gold and why now? Stick around and let the numbers do the talking. You see the signs, high prices, weak banks, looming recession. Are we just doomed to watch our finances crumble? Oh no, we're not. People are getting smart. They're getting savvy. Many of them are diversifying beyond stocks and bonds. They're dipping into real estate, cryptos, and even our star player for today, gold. But you typically can't buy into that stuff with your standard IRA or 401k. So how can you join this club? Through a self-directed IRA. But hold on, what is a self-directed IRA and why is it like putting financial nitro into your investment engine? Well, keep watching. Okay, so you're hooked on the idea of a self-directed IRA, but what is it really? Let's put it this way. Traditional IRAs are like riding shotgun. You're just a spectator. But with a self-directed IRA, you're in the driver's seat. You get to diversify like a pro. In other words, picture yourself as the quarterback of your own retirement account. You call the shots, and I'm excited to show you exactly what that means. But there is a catch. There's always a catch, isn't there? Now, you're probably wondering, what can you actually invest in with this kind of IRA? Do you get free rein or are there some no-go zones? Good question. So here's what can actually go into a self-directed IRA. Real estate, private equity, commodities, virtually anything but collectibles, insurance, and stock in S-corps. But here's the loophole for our gold enthusiasts. Certain gold, silver, and platinum coins are allowed. Imagine having real, tangible gold as part of your retirement plan. So maybe you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but what's in it for me? Well, keep watching because we're diving into the golden perks next. But why gold and why in an IRA? Here are 4 reasons you might love. 1. Tax advantages. 2. Portfolio diversification. 3. It's a safe haven. And 4. Inflation hedge. Gold isn't just a shiny object. It's a strategic asset that has proven its weight over the years. It has tax benefits and provides you with a safety net during economic crises. So I know it sounds incredible, but which types of gold can you actually own in a gold IRA? That's what we're uncovering next. But go ahead and like and subscribe so we can bring you more content like this. Now, back to it. Let's say you're sold on a gold IRA, but what gold can you actually hold in a gold IRA? You've got options, my friend. Gold American Eagle, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf, and more. Plus, gold bars ranging from a gram to a kilo. No fool's gold here. Only the purest makes the cut. But how do you actually get this gold IRA up and running? Stick around. We're going to get into the nuts and bolts next. So let's assume you're ready to jump in, but what's the playbook for starting your gold IRA? Step 1, partner with the pros. You need a reliable custodian to make sure everything's above board. Then fund your IRA, which is simple because you can roll over from your existing retirement accounts tax-free. And finally, buy your gold. Choose wisely because that gold will be stored securely until you're ready to claim it. So I know that sounded simple, but it is. But let's put a bow on this. You've been wondering how to protect your wealth with everything going on in the world, right? Could a gold IRA be the answer you've been searching for? Well, if you've been pacing the floor at night worried about your financial future, a gold IRA could be your ticket to peace of mind. Now is the time to act, folks. Don't wait for the next crisis to be your wake-up call. So if you're looking to get a more hands-on guide, I've got something special for you right now. Click the link below and you'll get a free wealth protection kit that will FedEx to your front door 100% free from Goldco. Goldco is a superstar heavyweight who's helped thousands of Americans place $2 billion in medals. And they have an impressive track record of 5-star customer experiences. Look them up for yourself. And right now on this page, they're offering you something invaluable, a free wealth protection kit. All you got to do is click the link below to request your copy. No fluff, just straight facts to help you make a solid decision. It's time to shape your financial story. So click below to get your free wealth protection kit.